Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Cloudy 101 free AI course with the certificate on completion and provided is the Cloudy by Anthropic. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. There we'll learn how to use AI right way with the Cloudy 101, a beginner-friendly course by Anthropic. Whether you are a student, creator, or professional, this course will help you to understand how to use Cloudy effectively in real-world scenario. So what you will learn? Introduction to the Cloudy AI, how to start your first conversation, prompt writing techniques, get better results using the Cloudy tools and project and features, and practical use cases for the work productivity. So finally, you will get a certificate of completion. That is, after completing all the lessons, passing the quiz, final quiz, you will receive a official certificate on the completion that you can add to your resume, share to your social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, and showcase your AI skill. So step to get certificate. So click the course link below and sign up the free and the Anthropic Skilljar. Scroll in the Cloudy 101, complete all the modules and lessons, pass the final assessment and download your certificate. So I'll go through the link and why we take this course. So 100% free AI course, beginner friendly content and learn practical AI skill and boost your career with the certification. So just open this link. I'll provide you the link URL. So this is the first page. There is a Cloudy 101 how to use Cloudy on the everyday work tasks and understand core features and explore resources for the more advanced learning on this topic. So there is a free registration is free, and if you already logged in, then you can go through the sign up. And curriculum here you can see there is a what is Cloudy, your first conversation with the Cloudy, getting better results. So all the details step by step there. And last conclusion, what is next, and certificate of the completion. So first click on the register, go to sign up, put your email address. So verify your email address. Okay, let me verify my email address. Anthropic. And here you can see there is one link. You have created an account for you. Complete the sign up. So click here, enter your name. So click on sign up. So we are signed in, and you will get a mail like successfully sign up. So all the details you'll get. So your email is a confirm that you register with the Cloudy. Now you can access the content of the 101. So when you open this page, this will looks like this. So what is Cloudy? So estimate time is 15 minutes. So read carefully. So there is a video is also there is other details are there. So go one by one. When you complete this one and the last, So you have a quiz. There is a 13 question is there, and after completing this one, completing all the step by step this one, and go to the quiz, and when we'll clear the quiz, you will get a certificate like this. Just like I have completed all the things, and last certificate of completion. You can click here view to view the certificate. So your certificate will be looks like this. So certificate of completion, your name, your details, and other details are there. You can download the certificate and download as a PDF. And there is a verify link URL. So other details are there. So why take this course? This is a 100% free AI course, beginner friendly content, and learn how to AI skill, practical AI skill, boost your career with the certificate. So we have done all the step by step process to get a certificate. And disclaimers there, all trademarks, logos, names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question on the YouTube comment box. I will reply personally. And share, subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Thank you.